Hey there, everybody. It's Mr. Deary. It is Monday, April 13th, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about just continuing to try to push yourself and grow even through failures. I've shown you some of the things I've been working on. I've been talking about my garden a lot, but there are other areas of my life that I've been trying to work on too that have some more long-lasting implications. And one of those things is cooking. I grew up not being able to cook much at all. I had a diet primarily of like pasta and mac and cheese. When I was running 50 miles a week in high school, you could eat whatever you wanted to. But obviously, as I've gotten older and I'm not able to run quite so much anymore, that's had to change how I approach what I eat. When you're not able to cook much, it's kind of frustrating because you don't know what to make for yourself. You feel like your options are limited. And one of the things I've been working on a lot this year, 2020, not just during the last few weeks of this shelter in place and this awkward time, is trying to create and cook new dishes. And one of the things I was working on today was to make bread. I have never really made bread before. I made a loaf earlier this week and it had a weird looking like face on it. Like I didn't fold it right. And this loaf is far from what I'm looking for to be ideal, what I would like to produce, but it actually feels pretty good. It feels pretty solid. I'm touching it right. It's still super hot though, so I just kind of burn my hand. So even though it's not perfect, and even though I'm still tinkering with the recipe, I haven't even tasted it yet, it's a sign of improvement. It's a sign that I'm doing more than I was actually able to do before. If you would have asked me 5 years ago who would be cooking dinner for my families most nights, it would have said my wife. But because of how we divvy up responsibilities, now it's actually me, which is kind of cool. So I've been teaching myself how to use I have a dirty cast iron skillet right next to me I'm learning how to use. Cook different types of fish, of different types of meat, trying different vegetable combinations, different sauces, different types of noodles. And sometimes it's a bust. I had some disgusting cilantro lime rice earlier today, but we had some really good tacos the other night. So, it's about balance. And I want to encourage you in a time, when my cabinets are open, in a time where you might not know what to do or you might not know where to start, is just to try something small new. Don't go out and try to make bread if you've never done it before, but maybe make a dish a different way. If there's a microwave option and then there's an oven option, try the oven way. And not just in cooking, but in all aspects of life. So, looking forward to the start of a great week with you all. I'm trying to have these videos up the day before because sometimes they're out at 10 a.m., sometimes they're out at 8 p.m. So as I'm recording this, it's actually Sunday night, but I want to make sure that when you load this on Monday morning, you'll be able to check it out right away. So, hope you're taking care of yourself. If you need anything at all, let me know. And as always, go Bucks. Have a great rest of your day.